Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to rotate video in CapCut PC. Now for us to be able to begin, the first thing that you need to do is to open the CapCut onto your device. So as you can see, we're currently in already onto our CapCut, and for us to be able to rotate a video, let's import the video that we want to use. So as you can see, we have here under media, the import option. So you could simply click onto this button in here so that you should be able to browse through different files, or you could simply drag and drop the video that you want to use. So it should look something like this. And then right after, to add this onto the timeline, you could simply drag and drop it again in here, or click onto this plus icon to add the track. So it should look something like this. Now, for us to be able to go ahead and rotate this specific video, we're going to go ahead and make use onto the tools that we have here onto the upper part. We have here this icon to rotate it. So you could rotate it as per your liking, or you could make use also onto this button here onto the bottom part so that you could rotate it manually yourself. So you could leave it just like that, or you could have it back just like this. So that is just basically it, how you rotate a video in CapCut PC. Now, once you're satisfied, you could just simply export this. And if you think this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.